Hello, today we are going to do a second experiment. We are testing acids and basics. Today I have.
My name is Oshan.
My name is Ishan.
So we are going to test and see what acids. We are going to take butterfly pea powder. Then we need citric acid, a spoon. Then we need something to stir, a cup, and 25 ml of water. In a cup, we are going to take half spoon of this butterfly pea powder, this one. That what we are going to do is pour this 25 ml of water into the cup. Now we are going to mix it. Mix it well. So now we are going to add this 1 spoon of this citric acid. Please add. After adding the citric acid, we're going to stir again. The solution turns pink, which means that there is acid in this solution.
Therefore, the science behind of this experiment is acid dissolve in water to release hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions react with butterfly pea solution to change its color to purple. Hence, the substance which turn the butterfly pea solution purple are acidic.